Into the future of the automotive industry. Latest technology in cars. Welcome to the world of innovation and advanced technology in the automotive industry. Today we dive into the fantastic future of cars and take a look at some of the latest technologies that are changing the way we think about driving. Autopilot and self-management. One of the most exciting technologies that has become a reality is autopilot and self-driving cars. With the help of advanced sensor systems, cameras and artificial intelligence, cars can detect road conditions, control their movement, and even park automatically. This opens up new possibilities for safety and comfort on the road. Electric vehicles and charging infrastructure. In the age of electric vehicles, new technologies include advanced charging systems and infrastructure for electric vehicles. Fast charging stations are becoming more common, allowing EV drivers to travel long distances and quickly fill their batteries. Safety and collision avoidance systems. One of the key areas of development in the automotive industry is safety. The latest technologies include advanced safety and collision avoidance systems that help prevent accidents and keep passengers and pedestrians safe. Advanced communication and entertainment systems. In today's vehicles, more and more attention is paid to communication and entertainment systems. Interactive infotainment panels, voice control, integration with mobile devices, all this makes the journey more convenient and fun. Here are just a few examples of the most advanced technologies that are changing the way we think about cars. The future of the automotive industry is filled with innovation and opportunity.